As a marketer, we are told build a community, but no one really tells us how to do so. So today we will, in this episode of Modern Marketing Unlocked, we are breaking down how to create a brand community that actually grows together. I am Nidhi and you're watching This is Digital Marketing. Let's start with step 1, shared purpose. Think of brands like Canva or GoPro. For example, GoPro did not just sell cameras, they built a community around capturing life's wildest moments. Ask yourself, what does your audience care about beyond your product? People don't typically care about product, they care about their passion points. Think, what is your audience passion point? Give before you take. Great communities start with generosity. Canva built its tribe by giving away thousands of free templates. Spotify Wrapped gave people their own listening story to share. You want community? Start by delivering value consistently, freely, and without expectation. Create space for them. Not you. A community isn't a broadcast channel. It's a conversation. Think about Figma's online design forum or Nykaa's beauty influencers sharing routines. If your audience can't express themselves, they won't stay. Ask questions, feature their work, let them co-create. Step 4, reward early believers. I remember being part of Quora community and they rewarding us not in terms of any monetary benefits, but by recognizing Quora top writers. Dropbox gave free storage. Google gave on-invite invitations to its customer. Discord gave budgets to community mods. Your first 100 engaged users are your foundation. Make them feel seen. Give them shout-outs, sneak peeks, or insider perks like Quora did. People support what they help build. And step 5, be consistent. You can't post once and call community. Community is not a one-way social media platform where only you are posting content. It is built through rhythm, rituals, and reliable values. Whether it's a weekly Ask Me Anything, a Friday Drop Me Your Concerns, or basically anywhere where your audience is genuinely able to connect with you. So this is Modern Marketing Unlocked and you're watching This is Digital Marketing. Hit subscribe and do check out the entire playlist on Modern Marketing Unlocked. You will get some important nuggets that will stay for a really long time through your marketing career. See you in the next video.